what we have here today is a 48-inch, I believe, Encon Crayon ceiling fan. I got this new in the box, kind of used by Aiden Ceiling Fan Corner on YouTube. Bought it from him. He gave me a nice discount. Thanks, Aiden. No glass. Had to put my own globe on it, which is way too thin, so the bulb inside is a little smushed, but it just barely clears the ceiling in the garage, upstairs at least. There you go. See it better. Very close. But anyway, start the light. I'll start the fan. And as you can see in Aiden's video, it was in terrible condition. It looked horrendous due to the way he had the blades. He had put the irons on backwards, which caused it to look in terrible condition. But it was actually really good. Alright, let's go to medium. It starts vibrating real bad due to how close it is to the ceiling. I'll go ahead and turn it up to high. And high I will not run on for very long due to how shaky it'll start getting. We'll give you all a little close up on that. See, the globe came off a Better Homes and Garden thing. The globe needs, I need a globe for it. But let's go ahead and turn it off. Away. You'd think this thing would have a little bit longer of a spin down, but it's pretty quick to stop. About a little quicker than the leg side. Looks like it has stopped. Let's get a good little close-up of it. There's no real top shot besides, you know, the way it all mounts and everything. Good shot of that. Encon fobs, which are actually made of metal and not plastic, which is interesting. I've never seen metal Encon fobs. And yeah, I know the blades are all out of order. I don't want to hear it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next.